Hi, hello, and welcome back, my friends and family. If you are new here, my name is Jennifer. On this channel, we do makeup and beauty subscription unboxings, as well as clothing hauls and shopping vlogs. So if you are interested, please stay. And to all the new people or new subscribers, I love when you comment and say hello down below. It makes my day. I'm happy to see you. I'm happy that you join, and it's just an exciting thing to get to say hello. All right, so today we are going to review the Ipsy Glam Bag. This is a $12 a month subscription, and you get 5 items. Sometimes you get full-size items, but they are mostly deluxe size items. Still large enough sizes so that you can try them, and so on and so forth. One of my favorite subscriptions, by the way, because it is only $12, and I think they usually do a pretty great job about it. So let's go ahead and see what this month's theme is, because I already forgot. Alright, so I forgot it's this pretty rose bag. It's like a Mother's Day theme, and it has rose gold. I am just in love with rose gold. Although, I kind of wonder, is rose gold just copper? Things that make you go, Anyway, it's just a silly little thing on the side. It's not all serious. Calm down. We're good. All right. In the inside, you get the card of the month, which, oh, it's Flower Power. And on here, you get a description of the items as well as the price. Now, the only downside to the pricing on this is they give you the full-size price, not the deluxe size price. So guess what I do? I use my mathematician skills and my accounting skills to sort of come up with a guesstimation. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right, but we kind of get an idea of what the prices really are. And disclaimer, I'm not a mathematician, obviously. I'm sort of an accountant because, yeah, but not like, yeah. Okay, so anyway, let's go ahead and really do the dang thing. Woo! What's in your bag? All right, first thing I'm going to pull out is a, what is this? Creme Rose. The very best cream rose body lotion. Very best. Ooh, let's see what this is about. Of course, I'm getting all the lotions when I'm recovering from migraine day, huh? Jeez. I am feeling much better though, so let's only focus on the positivity. Alright, so what am I doing with my... Half the time, I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Okay, I don't know why I'm showing you that. Here is the cream, and I do have some eyeshadow on from my last video there. Ooh, that smells so good. Oh my goodness. I know you really can't see it on my hand. Oh, it smells so good. You guys, I wish I could enjoy these things, but sometimes they're just migraine triggering. Okay, so this is a deluxe size. The full price is $32. So again, I will put our estimation somewhere up here. All right, let's see what is next. Ooh, oh, all right. This is a Lottie London AM to PM liner in black. Now, this is the second time I've received this from a subscription box, and I absolutely love it. In fact, I'm wearing it right now from my last box. Hold on. Please hold. I gotta, hold on. Ah, right here. Okay. Here it is. Here's the one that I own. So I'm gonna save this because I don't need to open it. I have one right here. It is amazing. Oh, it still looks so brand new. And it works so well. Look at that. This is a good one, you guys. I like this. And this is full size also, so it's only $5.95, so this is a good deal. And like I said, it is good stuff. I'm using it today on as my eyeliner. Yes, go get you, girl, go get you some, okay? All right, next we got a lasting smile. Smile for a cause, caring for people and our planet. Strawberry cream, organic lip balm. I mean, I always carry lip balm with me because, you know, the lips get dry. And honestly, I don't always wear makeup when I go out. Like, you've seen my vlogs, okay? You've seen how I be looking. Alright, so, it does very much smell like strawberry cream. Let's put that on thy skin if we can. I know you can't see nothing. Somewhere up here. Okay, it is nice. I like it. This is full size and it's $6. So this is more than the eyeliner. What? Alright, let's keep on keeping on, my friends. Alright, the next we've got a Auto Balm Girl Powder from The Balm. Cheeks on the Go. Ooh. I love The Balm Cosmetics. They always have nice little packaging too. They always have like a magnetic closure, so your little flap, your flap isn't gonna get messed up or break or any of the things. And look how pretty this is. Oh, this is nice. Oh, that's pretty. I like it. Yeah, let's see what it does on the skin. Ooh, look at that swatch. Wow, that was just one swatch. A little powdery, but very nice. Very, very nice. The last thing in here, I believe, was a choice item. My hair looks off. I've had a long day. My hair's all flat. Alright, I chose this item. This is a sugar, I guess the brand is Sugar Matte as Hale Crayon Lipstick. 32 Miss Rosa is thy name. Alright, let's see what she do. Let's see how pretty can you be? Oh, this is gonna take me some time. Did I tell you how much the balm was? I didn't, did I? The balm. Deluxe size, $26.50 for full size. Alright. Ooh, this is lovely. Lovely. Aren't you beautiful? Ooh, yes, I will be wearing this fancy baby. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Alright, how much is this and was it full size? Deluxe size, full size is $20.99. Alright, let's do a recap. We got the lipstick crayon, the eyeliner, the chapstick, the body lotion, and the blush powder. So all of these beautiful items for $12 and includes the bag. I think this was a beautiful subscription. They always do an amazing job. I love this $12 subscription. Like, I used to get this way back when it was $10. 10. Now it went up to 12 and it's still totally worth it. So let me know what you thought. Do you enjoy this subscription if you get it? If not, if you're interested, I will leave a link below. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you on our next video. Okay, bye.